Good morning, students. I am Sonia Malhotra, your computer teacher. Today, I will explain you MS Windows. MS Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company. So, we say it MS Windows. And if we are using Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, these all are the versions of Windows. In 1985, first version of MS Windows was developed. That was 3.1, Windows 3.1. And later on, so many versions of Windows came in the market. Today we are using Windows 10 and Windows 7. These are very popular operating systems. Only few features are different in these operating systems, in these versions, so we can use any of the window version. And Windows is an operating system. An operating system is a type of software that manages and controls the working of a computer. Operating system is called the manager of a computer. It manages computer's memory, control all hardware and software parts, and helps CPU in processing and calculating. Beside MS Windows, we have many other operating systems in the market, but recently we can see Windows is very popular and easy to use and easy to learn operating system. Today I will tell you about MS Windows. How can we operate it? This is Windows desktop. You can see this is a blank space. Today we will learn how to make files and folders here and manage our files. This is the blank area. These are the icons. You can see icons. Where mouse pointer goes, highlighted are the icons. You can see all are the icons. Now we will make our own folder. Right click with the mouse. This is the mouse. Okay. A mouse has two buttons, left and right. We will right click with the mouse on the blank area. Anywhere you can click. Right click with the mouse button. Now click on new. Only students, remember this, only one time you have to click right mouse button, and further you have to use left mouse button. Now click on folder, click here, and here you will get a new folder like this on the desktop. You can see here. Now without touching the keyboard, you can remove this. As you will type the new name, your previous name will be went on. Now type the new name like school. This is the new name of folder. Folder is a place where we keep all the files. It is just like the walls, container we can say. Like we have so many containers in our home, like almirah. In kitchen we have containers for cereals, wheat, etc. Like this. And we have container in our computer system named folder. Here we can put the files. Files are the place where we write our document, we give the data, that is a space. Okay, so we can say file is a space where we write anything and save in our folder. Now if you make any folder, then open it by double clicking it. Again I show you, double click on it and your folder school is opening here. Here we have 3 control buttons on the title bar: minimize, maximize and close button. Minimize means your folder will be in minimize here and it will show in the taskbar. This is the folder school, you can see. Again you can open it as you will click on the maximize button. This is the maximize button, you can see, and your screen will be maximized. And if you click now on the restore button, your screen will be minimized like this and you can move it from here and put it anywhere. And this is the close button, guys. Okay, now your window is closed. So now if we have any file, now open school folder which you have made earlier. If we have any file here, like in here we have any file, we can use any file. Suppose we have so many documents here and we want to save. Suppose I have a folder here. Okay, open it and write something and save this file. This is the file office button. Click here in office button. This is the office button, you can see. This is the office button. Click here once and save. By doing the clicking on the save, it will save again in that folder where it was, but now we will do save as. So click here, because we have to make the duplicate file in our own folder, right? So click on save as in the office button. Now a dialog box is here. This is called the dialog box. Here you can write down the name. Suppose you want to give the name here. In the file name, give another name, Nina. Okay. Now press the enter key or click on save button. Okay guys, you can press the enter key or click on the save button, and the yes, save as. It was simply saved. Now on desktop you have your folder. Click on desktop and then come here. Your folder is here, school. Open it and write Nina here, Nina 1. Write with different name, numerical also you can use. Click on save. Now close it. Now back, close this by close button Now open your folder Nina 1. Okay guys, you have this file which you saved earlier. You can open it. Yes, fine. Now close this, come out from this window, this one also. Now if you want to rename this folder, you have to change the name of this folder. Then what will you do? Right click on this folder and right click. Students, I am saying again, right click on the folder, then do rename. Go to rename. This type of window you will see option list. Okay, in option list you will click on rename and you can change the name of this. Suppose you want to write down, instead of school you want to write class. Okay, now enter. Press the enter key. Now the folder name is enter. If you want to delete this folder, again right click and then you can delete it. Delete this folder and this folder will directly go to recycle bin, because a folder never file or folder never deletes directly. There is something special keys which deletes a file directly from the computer system, but here I will tell you the file or folder don't go directly through delete option. They directly go to recycle bin. They don't get delete directly. Listen again, कोई भी फाइल डायरेक्टली डिलीट नहीं होती है. There is something other options through which we can delete the files or folders directly from the computer system. The deleted file goes to recycle bin. Okay, yes. Now we will open recycle bin from the desktop. This is like the dustbin. Double click it and open. Your file is here. You can see this is a class file folder, class folder of you. Can see it. If you want to restore again, there is an option restore. Okay, restore, and it will get back on the Windows screen, desktop. You can see class here, this one you can see. Okay guys, for today it is enough. So do practice of this and all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.